Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls and our Amazon Q1 challenge. So today Ryan is going to be showing us how he finds some of his trends, but it's solo to this channel.
And yeah, exclusive on this channel. It actually just came to me recently when we were recording the last video. But I was thinking about how you might stumble upon, because I'm trying to put myself in the shoes of the viewers, how you might stumble upon these trends, because we're showing how you crushed a bunch of Dogecoin shirts, but like, how does a normal person that doesn't spend time like doing what we do,
I mean, I'm sure
come
you can
across Dogecoin?
pick stuff off the news too, you know? Like, I know the cryptocurrencies have been like not blaring in the news, but definitely present on the news, or even Yahoo Finance.
But Doge is more like underground.
Yeah, I guess follow Elon Musk.
Oh, that's
on like Twitter, because
that's not bad advice. That honestly is really good advice.
I don't even have a Twitter, but I'm just
it makes
thinking
people
of that
a lot
advice
of money
now, and I'm gonna start following it. That's for sure. Yeah, because whenever he tweets something, it usually goes viral.
That's absolutely true. He tweeted about Dogecoin, I think, twice. His Twitter bio used to say Dogecoin CEO. And then he switched it to Bitcoin, to hashtag Bitcoin.
Oh my gosh.
And then Bitcoin pumped from like 32,000 to 38,000 in like a couple hours.
It is amazing what he does to the financial markets. That is
so
for sure.
That is not where I wanted to head with this video. My idea, although that's great advice.
Yeah.
There's a lot of ways to get with trends, but what I wanted to show, was, no, I just exited out of what I wanted to show. I wanted to show YouTube. This is what I was thinking, because if you're hearing about a trend from the most news outlets,
yeah,
then somebody's already taken time to write an article and run it through the editor's desk and then get the push to where you're seeing it.
That's true.
Time has gone by. You're late to that niche at that point. Even if you think you're early, you're probably late. Now, here's what I was thinking. YouTube, our normal people like us, we can make a video immediately. I was thinking about like GameStop stock the other day. That 9-page dissertation that I read, I should have just read it on video, because then I could have had a really good popular video, most likely, spreading really good information. And I mean, I was going to read it anyways. So anyways, people on YouTube. Okay, this is what I want to show. I'm going to zoom in. You see on this left-hand side here, it says trending.
Yeah.
So YouTube trends don't go past an editor's desk. They don't have to be sat down and write out a long thing. You can do it quick. This is what I was thinking. YouTube trends.
I've never even thought about that.
And so I'm not trying to like infringe on people, but like I know you can sometimes get away with making shirts that like have lyrics from a song. Because believe it or not, what everybody says, oh, you can't do that. It's in a song. But like there is no phrase of words that hasn't been said before in some fixed medium in my mind. Think about every book in recorded history and every movie and every song and every TV show, and there's still people that say, oh, no, it's in a song. No, like...
Yeah, and I think you can also use... I think in an earlier video we were talking about Merchant Former and it helping find trademarks.
Yeah, we saw the WAP lyrics, remember? Yeah. But also, so I'm not trying to say come to trending and start like ripping off trending song lyrics. Like, I personally wouldn't do that, so I'm not going to tell you to do it, but I'm just saying like, somebody's going to make a shirt with Lil Durk, Kanye Crazy's lyrics. Okay, if you put any of those keywords in there, you're going to get an instant rejection. But something about the lyrics potentially. Yeah. I'm not saying it should be you guys. Definitely not you.
No, but what I would personally do at this point in my like merch journey, I would probably take whatever line is like the catch line and then plug it into search merch. Yeah. The search merch tool, and see what comes up and see how many shirts are out there and see what their BSR is.
Yeah,
that's what I would do currently. And
but this is also just high level niches. Yeah, that's a good idea. I mean, I always say use the search merch tool and check what's there.
All the time.
But if we're doing early to a trend, something could be genuinely new and you may not know.
Yeah, that's true.
Like if you were early to Among Us, like look, like Among Us right here. This is like not even popular anymore. Or I mean, I don't know. I can't speak to it.
I've never even heard of that.
Really popular game, and like here it is. So you got Among Us. You have Lil Durk. I don't know who that is. Selena Gomez. Okay, yeah. I mean, again, I'm not saying to do lyrics, but I was just saying that like if it's trending here, people are gonna go buy a shirt with it. They are. Okay, suing Robinhood again, coming to the investing GameStop negative towards Robinhood. Now you can't infringe on Robinhood, but it's telling you of all things possible, right? Basketball, soccer, anything, any word that pops in your mind. This is what people are looking at. This is what at least people, the YouTube demographic is.
Yeah.
Are looking at. So. Now you've got that. Now UFC. Now Minecraft. And again, you have to be I'm not saying infringe on anything. I'm saying that like these are high level, then you drill down.
Yeah, I totally get that.
Yeah. Because it's like, okay, you could do a basketball shirt, but if no one's watching or thinking about basketball, but you could do a cage fighting shirt that doesn't infringe, then... And when I say, I shouldn't have to keep saying don't infringe, but I know that like people take it the wrong way on my channel a lot.
Yeah,
maybe it's like a vocal minority, but anyway, so that's all I really wanted to show. Like this is showing what a lot. Look at the views on these videos, like 500,000 million views in like a day. Among Us again. You know, this is also showing if you want to get popular on YouTube, do Minecraft, do Among Us, do Robinhood and investing.
Or be a Kardashian.
Laserbeam cut his mullet. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show.
Awesome. Well, I hope you guys like this short tutorial. Make sure to click the like button, the subscribe button, and comment below. And we will see you guys next time.